a 2024 Kia Sportage X Pro, and we're blacking out the Sportage and the Kia logos. I'm going to show you how easy it goes. We're going to start with the Sportage. It's been warmed up slightly, and we're just going to start at the S and work our way across each letter, and you can hear it snapping into place. And we check all the way across and make sure it's flush. So now we'll move over and focus on the Kia logo. I've already taken the badging and removed the double-sided tape, so now we'll go ahead and install it. We're going to start up at the top corner. You can hear it snapping into place. Make sure it's where we want it to be, and then we just go around and press the entire surface. You can hear it. There you go, snapping really well into place there. And that's how easy it is. We're going to move now around to the front of the Kia Sportage 2024. Also would work for the 2023. Again, the double-sided tape's been removed. We'll start again up at the top and snap it all on. We want to make sure we have it snapped all the way around. When we do, in conjunction with the double-sided tape, it'll stay on for as long as you want. You can hear it even click here and down here. You can always check and look around and make sure that it's all covered and on flat to the surface, and you know you've got it on there. So there we have it, the Black-Owtz package for the true X-Line Kia Sportage.